Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You and 12 plus years of IT industry experience. Friends, there is a big news which is coming directly here from Accenture. Accenture has decided to hire 2021, 2022, 2023 and 2024 batch graduate. Friends, you have to take it very seriously because in my earlier videos also I have told you for batch of 2021, 2022, 2023 there will be very limited opportunity. 2024 still can find some. Now you might have lot of doubts that sir, what is this Workday Mail? Accenture has also released the interview results. I am getting rejected when I am applying for Accenture. Lot of doubts will be there. That also we will try to cover in this particular video. But before we start about the hiring, right? So when this particular hiring is for BE, BTech, BSc, BCA, I mean all graduate from all the branches are eligible for this hiring, right? Any other hiring you will not be able to see. If they hire also, hardly 5 to 10 positions will be there, but Accenture hires mostly in bulk, but their recruitment process is not very clear. That also we will discuss. Before going ahead, friends, I would like all of you to join this particular Telegram group. The reason is if you have exam, you can get help from your colleague. If you are preparing for any other examination, if you are waiting for something, there are a lot of people who are helping each other if you go inside the group. So I request all of you to please join the group. It will be definitely very beneficial for all of you. Okay. Now, friends, the second thing is, so here Accenture is hiring for two different roles currently, and I would like to show you this particular things. So year of passing 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024. Minimum criteria, any engineering stream of BE, BTech, ME, MTech or MCA or MSc with year of pass out being 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024. And then second hiring which we have for Accenture System and Application Service Associate, right? Here you could see, and the eligibility is BSc, BCA, BBA, BA, BCom, right? So basically they have covered all the graduates in your Accenture PADA and SASA role. Now friends, one thing which we need to understand is, right, so there is a cooling period, right? So there is a cooling period of 90 days. That means suppose if you wrote the exam on 1st of January, right? So just give me one example, 2024, right? And if you got rejected, then Jan, Feb, March. So basically 1st of April, right? So you have to count 90 days and then you will be able to, right, apply for it again, right? So the 3 months gap from the day you write the examination. Okay. Now, but there are many other cases where a student has completed the cooling period, then also once they will apply, they will be getting the rejection mail. And friends, for this there is no solution. You have to reach out to their support team. Even none of the YouTubers or no one can help you out in this particular things because this is happening from long time. Okay, fine. So this will be this is clear now, friends. So it is very important for you to take it very seriously, and that's the reason we have launched the crash course for Accenture crash course with 10 mock test series. We are providing you 10 mock test series: reasoning, pseudocode, verbal ability, cloud and networking, coding, right? And plus 10 mock test with a price of 699. Sir, what about the content? The content which we are giving it to you is the best content covering all the things. See, cognitive assessment, verbal ability, pseudocode, coding questions, technical MCQ cloud. In technical MCQs, to which nobody is providing, we are providing you networking, MS Office, cloud, technical MCQ question, technical MCQ live classes are also ongoing. And friend, the most important thing is we have also put the test. Okay, so if you go inside this, you will be able to see, right? So if you come down here, you will be having test here, right? So MS Office Cloud and networking, right? So all the PDF file, each and everything. And then here you can see you will be having the live mock test as well, right? So friends, your preparation will be the best here, that you can find it out from the content what we are providing it to you, right? Okay. And friends, moreover, we have also started live classes. In the live class, what will happen, right? So in the live classes, we will be covering like pseudocode question asked, cognitive questions asked, all those things will be keep going on. Okay. And live classes is something like it is always going on, so it will be very very beneficial. So either you are preparing for SASA role, SASA role, or PADA role, PADA role, this will be very very beneficial for you, right? Okay. Now, so let us come back on the timelines of Accenture. So friends, one thing which I wanted to make it very very clear, okay? So Accenture, their timeline of hiring process is very very bad, right? Okay. And that's the reason I had put one community post also. So when you get a, see, there will be congrats mail once you apply, right? So after this, there will be assessment mails, okay? Assessment mail will be there, booking slot, and then slot booking mail, right? Before that you will be getting another mail, right? So there will be process, so there will be a lot of emails you will be getting, right? And then after that, interview email will be there. After that interview, we have successfully completed this, right? So a lot of emails will be there, but there is no particular timeline that what is the gap between this to this, what is the gap between this to this, what is the gap between this to this. So there are many students who had started their process in Jan, and now they are getting the selection mails. So basically Accenture has also released the interview results for many of the candidates, and there are many of candidates who has got selected. So friends, please let us know in the comment section if we have helped you by any means for your preparation, for your selection. Then please let us know in the comment section. Also, see, if you have any problem which definitely we cannot solve, you need to approach to the Accenture customer support team, right? That also I will try to show you here. So where is this the support team? Now another thing is, friends, Workday Mail. So there are many of the candidates who are getting Workday Mail, and they were asking, sir, am I selected, and that's the reason I'm getting Workday Mail? No. So Workday Mail does not guarantee your selection in Accenture. Even the people who have just applied for the Accenture, so they have also received this Workday Mail, right? See, till then Accenture is not asking you that upload your document. Till then Accenture is not asking you to upload your document. Then don't think that you are selected and you will be inside Accenture as for the onboarding process, right? So friends, because Accenture process is very very late, it's not clear. So please don't believe on anyone. See, don't believe on me, don't believe on him, don't believe on her. So once you start getting the emails, please keep checking it. And when you get email for document uploading process, right, that time you are selected and your onboarding will also happen, right? So even though after completing the interview you will be getting the congratulation mail, that means you are selected, but wait for it, because all this Workday Mail and all those things does not make sense. This is not for only selected candidates, right? Okay. So I hope you have got some idea from here, right? See, now we will try to see that Accenture, anyway this two link will be given in the description, and if you want to apply, then you can just click on, and then you have to apply through this email, right? So you can select your email, or you, if you have any account, you will be able to log in from here, right? And now you see this support, right? So you are able to see on the support. So if you click on support, right, then pre-placement connect, right? So here registration process details, guideline, and then even you will be also able to chat to them, but it will not help you much, right? So whatever problems, wherever, suppose in the assessment process, right? So assessment process, they have given the detail, right? And we'll try to see, okay, so call us, chat with us, need more help. So this here, you can basically put it here like your name, your email address, your phone number, and write the message. So friends, these are the things you can do it, but see, as such, like why you are getting rejected once you apply. So there might be some reason that, okay, cooling period, but there are multiple reasons, and that we will not be able to know. So for that we need to contact them only, right? Okay, so friends, do like the video and also subscribe to the channel, because lot of update which you will be getting it on our particular channel only. And Achiever batch has been started from today, which I had already told you. So Achievers 2.4 and 2.5, if you are part of this batch, then you do not have to buy the courses separately. One particular course will give you each and everything, right? So thank you, take care, all the very best. Jai Hind.